Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day keto version. I filmed a little bit of a snippet on my phone earlier, and that was because I went through the Chick-fil-A drive-thru for my brother. Had to get him a Chick-fil-A biscuit, but I ended up getting their iced coffee without any syrup. So all it had was ice, the coffee, and heavy whipping cream. That's all it had. And I usually use sugar-free creamer. I usually use just the Great Value off-brand vanilla sugar-free creamer every morning in my own personal coffee. So I really could not take this. It just wasn't sweet enough for me. I feel like maybe if I did it like every day, and you know, I was used to black coffee, I would be used to that. I just couldn't do it. It just was not sweet enough for me. But it tastes really good now. You know, cheers. Usually on keto, I will fast 14 to 16 hours every day. Basically that just means I eat in a certain time period of like a window. So it's 12 now. I'm not really that hungry, so I may not eat until 1 or 2, and then I'll probably quit and like cut it off at like 7, 8, you know, tonight. It could be earlier, it could be a little bit later. It's just depending on how long you're willing to wait the next day to eat. I found this recipe on Instagram this morning. Instagram is so good. If you just follow the keto hashtag, you can have so many different ideas because there's so many people that are also doing keto out there. And I found this recipe. It's a chocolate cake. It's called Keto Chocolate Cake, the best easy low carb cake recipe for keto. I will link this down in my description box because I think I'm gonna make this today for like a treat. And it says only 1.5 net carbs per slice. Like, oh, that's a dream, that's a dream. Okay guys, I just got done putting the ingredients together for the cake. Here you go. It's looking pretty good. I'm about to put it in the oven. I made a tiny oopsie. I put too much vanilla extract in it when it was supposed to be for another ingredient. So we shall see if it turns out good. I know baking is like really tedious. My mom was like, with baking you have to have everything specific. Like if it says a tablespoon, it means a tablespoon. Like no more, no less. And I'm like over here screwing up the cake. But we'll see. I think it'll still be good. It may be a little too sweet, but it's cake, right? So I'm about to throw this in the oven for 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna make the frosting while it's cooking in the oven. So I will keep you updated. Okay guys, I am fixing dinner right now. It's been a couple hours, but I'm snacking, and this is like the first thing I've eaten today. So I'm having some pepperonis. This is just like the Great Value, really big one. I'll only have a couple. And then I just cut up a few pieces of cheese, and I'm just snacking on that right now. But in the oven I have bacon, and I just cooked some broccoli in the microwave that I am planning on doing. I think it's called, what's it called? It's like stuffed broccoli or something like that, but I'm just gonna put the broccoli in here. I'm gonna put lots of cheese on top of it and put some bacon bits in it. It's like, oh, it's loaded broccoli, that's what it's called. So I'm just gonna do that, but right now I'm snacking on some cheese and some pepperonis while the bacon's cooking in the oven. And this snack is so good. You get protein and you get fat in this bun. It's been through a lot, okay? So just ignore it. Just snacking. I'll keep you updated on either if this is my lunch or if it's my dinner, so bye. Okay guys, there is a chunk out of this cake. I did not eat it. My cousin was over and he had a bite. He tried it and he liked it, and he's like 12. So if he liked this keto cake, It has to be good, right? Let me change this. Put it over here. The lighting is better. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on camera. This is the keto cake. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, no. This is good. And like, honestly, I had like, what? This is my third baby bite, and I'm honestly like, okay, you know? I don't feel like I need to eat the whole cake. It curbs my appetite. It curbs my need for that something sweet. Like, it's just perfect. Perfect. But other than that, I am not gonna eat unless it is for dinner, and I'm really not that hungry. So, good morning, guys. My camera is about to die. Oh no. Okay. Good morning. I did not finish my keto what I eat in a day video yesterday, so I'm just gonna hop on and continue it today. And first thing I do in the morning is make my coffee. So I'm gonna just come over here and I'm gonna grab a mug. My mom usually leaves coffee for me already brewed, so there is some in here this morning. And what I put into my coffee every morning is sugar-free French vanilla creamer from Great Value. This is just like the off-brand. And I will do a whopping amount of heavy whipping cream. This is also just the Great Value brand. And just like a little bit of butter. So here you go. You can watch the way I kind of do it all, and then I just froth it up.
She will put her butter in, so it's not a shy amount. It's a pretty decent amount. Put it on there, and then I will get some heavy whipping cream. Also put that in. This is a really good source of fat, so that's why I do the butter and the heavy whipping cream. Shake my cream out all this out. Just put a little bit of that for some sweetness. And then we have this frother thing, it's called an Aero Latte. It's really nice, and it froths up your coffee and you'll stir that butter in. But it won't melt it completely, so I do go in again and heat it in the microwave. Just for another 30 seconds.
That is how I make my coffee. It's like my keto coffee in the mornings, and it's really good, and it fills me up until I'm ready to eat. I am a little bit more hungry this morning, so I probably will eat breakfast, and otherwise when I'm fasting I usually don't. I'll skip breakfast and just go straight into lunch. But I just wanted to show y'all, you know, like kind of what I like to do, and there's so many different versions of what my mornings look like. I mean, some days I do eat, but it's usually not until around 11 or 12. It is 10:51. So breakfast, you know, I just eat whatever I want whenever, you know. I try to fast every day, but sometimes it doesn't work out, or I can't go as long as I usually can. But yeah, here is my coffee. Look at that. It's so good. Let's try it. It's so yummy. Good afternoon. So it is currently 1:14. I'm about to break my fast because I'm hungry and I'm ready for lunch. So I did not have breakfast. I probably stopped eating at like 6:30 last night. So quick math. Okay, so I think I fasted for like 18 hours, maybe 19. So that's pretty good fast. It's a long time. But like I said, I'm hungry. All I've had this morning is coffee with some cream. That's it. So right now, since I didn't show y'all the broccoli thing of me like eating it yesterday, I'm gonna have the loaded broccoli and I think it's like a bratwurst. It's like a sausage weenie type thing, and with some ketchup. So I think that's what I'm gonna have for lunch, but I will show you when it's ready. Let me show you. So I've got the ketchup, mayo, the bratwurst, and this is my loaded broccoli that I made yesterday with some pickles. I think we all saw this coming, but you know, I just finished my lunch and it was so good, but I remembered my cake in the fridge. So we're gonna have to have some cake. My cake. I am going to put some whipped cream. It's dinner time. I think it's like 7 and my mom's home. We are about to have like a Mod Podge dinner, but it's all keto, but we're just kind of going buffet style. We're just kind of laying out like what we have and gonna eat off that. Cause hey y'all, I warned you, I'm having a hodgepodge of a dinner, but broccoli, the loaded broccoli I made yesterday, this is zucchini noodles with chicken, that's like the chicken scampi thing, and then the lasagna dip. Okay y'all, we got that Friday feeling and we're gonna have to have an over-the-top dessert tonight. So we're going in with the halo top, I've got birthday cake, and then another piece of chocolate cake. So I'm double caked up tonight. Good morning guys. I've come to the realization that I am terrible at ending these things. Like last night I forgot to, you know, show y'all my food. Well, last night I did show you my food, but the night before I forgot to show you my food. And then last night I just went to bed after dinner. It's the weekend, baby. So we are treating ourselves. So look at that. Oh, wow. So that was my keto, what I eat in a day, kind of 2 days, sneakily. But I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and you can subscribe down below if you want to see more content like this. I think I'm going to start filming keto videos like this one. I do makeup. I am into beauty a lot. I just now did, my last video was a dyeing my hair blonde video, so go check that one out too. Enough of my blabbing though. So I hope that you all have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.